Hello! Welcome to our series of lesson ideas for music educators. Learn how to make the most out of flat 4 education to create engaging lessons. If you haven't tried flat 4 education yet, what are you waiting for? Unlock your education superpower by signing up now and get a 3-month free trial. Now that we are here, what if you subscribe to our channel? You'll show us your support while getting great content. The idea is to ask students to build and name chords. To do so, create a composition assignment, create and lock the desired template. In the first line, ask your students to build the indicated chord. In the second line, ask your students to name the indicated chord. This assignment is a great way to test your students' ability to construct chords, while also placing the correct notes on the staff. Chord recognition and construction exercises can also be automatically generated and graded with our worksheets. Do you have additional assignment ideas that could inspire other teachers? If so, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know if you have any questions. Bye!